Hi, this is Leszek from Telnyx. Today I'm going to present to you how to quickly and easily configure AI assistants using Telnyx Customer Portal. After logging in into your account, go to the AI Storage and Compute left menu and select AI Assistants. Next, click Create New Assistant, and on that pop-up screen you will be able to start with a blank template, or you can choose one of the predefined assistants, like for instance Customer Support Specialist. Okay, now let's test purchasing a new insurance policy. We'll initiate another call to our AI assistant.
Welcome to the Golden Insurance Group. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'm interested in purchasing a new car insurance policy.
Great. I can help you with that. Before we proceed, could you please provide your customer ID and passphrase for verification?
My customer ID is 754325.
Thank you. Could you please also provide your passphrase for verification?
6971.
Thank you for providing the information. The verification was successful. Now, let's proceed with your car insurance policy. We offer 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold.
Okay,
Each tier has...
gold tier would be perfect for me. Gold one.
Great choice. The gold tier offers the highest level of coverage, including comprehensive liability protection, lower deductibles, and additional features like roadside assistance and rental car coverage.
This is
Now,
exactly what I need.
Could you please confirm the total coverage amount you would like for your gold tier car insurance policy?
My car is currently worth $50,000.
Thank you for confirming the coverage amount of $50,000. Next, could you please let me know the start date for your policy? The earliest start date can be the 15th of May, 2025.
It should start on 1st of June.
Thank you for confirming the start date as the 1st of June, 2025. How long would you like the policy to be active? For example, 1 year or another duration.
1 year, please.
Thank you for confirming the policy duration as 1 year. The end date will be the 1st of June, 2026. Please hold on for a moment while I register your new car insurance policy in our system. Your new car insurance policy has been successfully registered. The policy number is 7Bexel, spelled as 7, B like Bravo, X like X-ray, W like Whiskey, L like Lima, R like Romeo, P like Papa. The coverage amount is $50,000, starting from the 1st of June, 2025, and ending on the 1st of June, 2026. I've also sent you a confirmation SMS with all the details. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
In fact, I would like to speak to a human agent. I've got some additional questions. Okay, so finally we've been able to purchase a new car insurance policy, and at the end of our call I asked also AI assistant to transfer my call to a human agent, which was successful, as you've seen. Let me show you all the configuration details on the already created assistant for the insurance industry. So from the list of assistants, you can go to the right menu and click the edit button to go to the configuration screen. Here you can define a name for your assistant. Next, you can choose AI model from the list of available ones. In my case, I'm using GPT for Omni model, for which I need also to provide my own API key. In the next section, you will define all the instructions where you can inject some system variables like current daytime or caller ID. You will be able to create also greetings message, which will be played back at the beginning of the conversation. If you need to interact with some backend system, you can use our dynamic variables option, providing webhook URL, so you can fetch some data at the beginning of the conversation, which you can inject also into instructions or into the greetings. Finally, you can also use our tools, especially webhook tool may be useful, with which you can integrate with your backend systems, but also you will be able to control the call with transfer, hangup or DTMF tools. Let's jump to the voice tab, where you can choose from the list of available text-to-speech providers and the voices. In the Insight tab, you can define some additional instructions which should be triggered at the end of the conversation. So I defined, for instance, here instructions to create call summary and do some sentiment analysis. In the calling tab, you can assign different numbers to your assistant. In the messaging tab, you can enable your assistant for SMS channel. If you are processing some sensitive information, it's also a good option to enable data reduction. Finally, in the conversation history, you will get the list of already finalized conversation with the access to all the details, including voice transcription, generated insights, some additional metadata, and dynamic variables fetched from the provided URL. Thanks for watching.